Okay, it is on. It's alive.
Here in New Orleans, we have a killer on the loose. We gotta find it. Join the team. We're in CIS. You're coming with us. That puts you on the suspect's trail.
It's your lucky day.
Looks pretty good. Notice the smaller sets don't have very... Not pointing at the mic here, jeez. Notice these smaller sets don't have very prominent scan lines. Let's throw in one of those random tapes that I found. Kevin's 9th birthday. That is not the house I got this at. Man, look at that. That old Aerostar, nice. This is in Texas, so it's not all rotted out. Look at that. Awesome. Still in Texas. Saw the plate. 306 MKR, MKK, I don't know. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that old unit back there. Wow. Whatever piece of junk they have now is not as good. Crank up the ISO again. Yeah, it's a little too blue. Oh, there's a ceiling fan. It's a nice lamp. What is it? Oh, I thought it was unwrapped. I was like, what the hell?
Who's that from, Kevin? Who's that from, Kevin?
Me?
Sounds pretty good.
When we were at Toys R Us, I wanted it so much. Well, you got it.
Toys R Us went EOL a few years ago. 5 or so, I don't know. The one around here.